Hello everyone, welcome to Clashilla. This is Avinash Sabha, your educator, and I have come up with a fresh topic for us to discuss today. So let's get there without any delay. Decisions delivered by a bench of the largest strength are binding on any subsequent lesser or co-equal strength. Discuss. The Supreme Court recently held in a case that regardless of the number of judges who took the majority of decisions, the majority judgment of a bench with more strength would take precedence over the decision of a bench with less strength. A constitution bench of 5 judges, presided over by the Justice Indira Banerjee, stated, according to Article 145 of 5 of the Indian Constitution, the agreement of the majority of the judges present at the hearing shall be regarded as the court's decision or view. It is established that, regardless of the number of judges making up the majority decision of a bench with more judges will take precedence over the decision of a bench with fewer judges. The decision was made by Justice Banerjee on her behalf, as well as that of Justices M. Sundaresh, Suryakant and Sudhanshu Dhulia. A decision made by a bench of the greatest strength is obligatory on any succeeding bench of lesser or equal strength, according to Justice Hemant Gupta. He pointed out that senior counsel Gopal Shankar Narayanan has cited in Article 145 of 5 to argue that a judgment of this court must be delivered by the majority of the judges present at the case's hearing. But nothing in this clause shall be interpreted to preclude a judge who does not concur from delivering a dissenting judgment or opinion. As a result, the Constitution itself anticipated that the majority of judges would render the decision. Judge Gupta stated, any succeeding bench of smaller or similar strength must abide by the decision made by the bench with the greatest strength. The size of the bench, not the number of judges who have adopted a specific stance, is what is considered significant. Nevertheless, he clearly stated that a bench with a smaller quorum cannot disagree with the legal position reached by a bench with a greater quorum. The quorum refers to the number of judges who were present to hear the case. He also said that while it has been correctly decided that the bench size is what determines whether a decision is binding, the number of judges holding a specific viewpoint is irrelevant. By this ruling of the Supreme Court, the majority opinion would triumph over the unanimous opinion of a 5-judge constitutional bench in a decision made by the 7 judges of 4:3. A 2-judge apex court panel referred the issue to the constitutional bench in 2017. The Central Board of Dawoodi Bohra Community versus State of Maharashtra 2005 2 SC 673, a constitutional bench of this court noted that the law established by this court in a decision made by a bench of a greater strength is obligatory on any succeeding bench with lesser or equal strength. In Subhash Chandra and others versus Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board and others of 2019, 15 SCC 458, the court once again reaffirmed the established legal principle that benches of smaller strength are bound by the decisions of the constitutional bench, and any benches of lesser strength taking opposite view are per incuriam.